Hello, my name is Kara Hughes, and I am the content production lead here at ASUG. If you haven't heard, ASUG is bringing together our community in a new and exciting way this October in Houston, Texas, at our ASUG Best Practices event. Today, I wanted to share more about this event and how this will help you in your daily challenges, as well as help you plan for the future. We've reimagined this event to invite our industrial manufacturing and mill products mining and metals community to come together with our chemicals and oil and gas and energy community as well. This means that we're bringing together more industry leaders and more SAP users like you. We're bringing together more SAP product experts and SAP executives to help you understand what's the future looking like for SAP. We're also going to give you new chances to connect with experts one-on-one through our mobile app, as well as have dedicated keynotes and networking opportunities throughout the week. When building this agenda, we worked with our ASUG members who are real SAP users to identify trends and the unique challenges that you all face, like the ones you see on your screen. We've organized the conference so that you can collaborate cross-industry with peers on these topics, as well as hear from SAP executives, key partner solution experts, so that you can solve your key problems together, building a stronger community. I'm going to go through now a little sneak peek of what each industry can expect to see and hear from over the 3 days of the event. Our Mill Products, Metals, and Mining community will kick things off on October 14th with their visioning session, where SAP executives are going to join the stage to talk through innovations for data-driven business transformation in the era of AI. You'll have a chance on the 15th and 16th of October to schedule one-on-one appointments with SAP experts through our mobile app, have networking opportunities, as well as attend 26 highly relevant sessions that cover everything from customer stories like Mohawk to roadmaps and SAP expert sessions. Our industrial and manufacturing community will also have a visioning session, kicking things off on the topic of manufacturing companies that are preparing for AI-enabled futures. You'll have a chance to network with industry professionals, schedule one-on-one SAP appointments, as well as hear from 24 different sessions throughout October 15th and 16th. Our chemicals community is back again for another year, where we're going to highlight customers like CP Chem, Oxy, and Advancix, and you'll hear from experts on topics like digital manufacturing and business AI specific to the chemicals industry. In your visioning session on October 14th, our SAP executives are going to take the stage to talk through how to harness AI to help with supply chain optimization, as well as sustainability and public cloud. We invite you to choose from 28 highly relevant sessions that cover both industry-specific insights and general professional development, designed to enhance your experience and inspire new ideas. Lastly, our oil, gas, and energy industry will come together for 12 industry-specific sessions, 32 highly relevant sessions from those customers and SAP experts, kicking things off with their visioning session on October 14th, where you'll hear from ExxonMobil and ConocoPhillips. To learn more about the agenda and dive a little bit deeper, feel free to scan the QR code to learn how to utilize technology to maximize the performance of your assets. We hope to see you in Houston.